Stay connected, stay in control. Tagify, your pocket-sized RFID asset management system. In this demo, we'll guide you through Tagify, from registering locations, branches, and branch areas, to adding assets and personnel, assigning them to users, and completing audits through smart tracking. Let's start by creating a location. Click Location module, then click the Add icon. Enter the location name and description. Click the Save button to successfully register the location. Next, let's create the branch. Click Branch module. Then click the Add icon. Select a location. Enter the branch name and description. Click Save to successfully register the branch. Now, let's create the branch area. Click Branch Area module. Then click the Add icon. Select a branch. Enter the branch area name and description. Click Save to successfully register the branch area. Moving on to asset registration, we'll begin with manual registration. Click Asset Info module, then click the Add icon. Enter tracking ID, asset name, description. Select location, branch, and branch area. Enter serial number. Click Save to successfully register the asset. Now, let's try RFID scanning. Click Reader icon and select RFID mode. Trigger the handle to initiate scanning and display the captured tags. Click Proceed. Select location, branch, and branch area. Click Submit to register. Lastly, let's do camera scanning. Click Reader icon and select Camera mode. Scan the barcode or QR tag. Then click Proceed. Select location, branch, and branch area. Click Submit to register. Proceeding now to personnel registration. Click Personnel module. Then click the Add icon. Select personnel location. Enter the employee number and personnel details. Click Save to complete registration. After registering personnel, we can now proceed to assigning assets. Click the Assignment module and create a new assignee account. Click the Add icon. Select the personnel to assign accountability. Then click Save. Next, let's assign an asset to the assignee. First, select the assignee, then proceed to the Assign Details tab. Click the Add Asset icon, then choose the asset. Finally, click the Assign button to successfully assign the asset. For the final step of this tutorial, we will audit the assets. Click the Audit module and first create an auditor. Click the Add icon. Then select your designated area to audit. And click Save. Now let's start to audit. Select the created auditor. Then go to the Audit Details tab. Click the Reader icon and choose RFID mode. Trigger the handle to scan and display captured tags. Then click Proceed. The different color codes indicate if an asset is in correct location, wrong branch, and wrong branch area. For more information, visit us at tagifyph.com.